Good morning students, Joyadash here. Today we are doing algebraic expression chapter 12 exercise 12.1. Yesterday we have started, a little bit we have done also, but today we are doing the remaining sums of question number 1 and 2. Question number 1, get the algebraic expression in the following cases. Number x and y both squared and added. Both squared means x also you have to make the square of x and square of y. Then you have to give them with addition sign. Therefore the expressions equal to x square plus y square. The numbers x and y both squared. I have made them squared and added plus sign. Next, product of the numbers y and z subtracted from 10. Product of the number y and z means y into z. This product will be subtracted from 10. So 10 will be in front. Therefore 10 minus yz. Alphabetically you have to write yz. 10 minus yz. Next question is number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Product of the numbers m and n means m into n. 3 times means 3 into m into n. In a simple equation you are familiar with these terms. 3 times of the product of the numbers m and n, that means 3 into m into n will be added to this will be added with 5. Therefore 5 added to the 3 times of the product of the numbers m and n. So 3 into m into n will be added with 5. Therefore the expression will be 3mn plus 5. Or you can write 5 plus 3mn, same only. Next, the sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. That means the sum of the numbers mean a plus b. This a plus b will be subtracted from their product. Product means a into b. That means ab. Therefore the expression is ab minus a plus b. Product of the numbers a into b. Sum of the numbers a plus b. Sum of the numbers will be subtracted from the product of the numbers. Therefore this is the expression. First of all you have to understand the last statement. Then you will make your expression. Now next one is very interesting and I hope you all will enjoy this. Identify the terms and their products by tree diagrams. Tree diagrams. Identify the terms and the factors by tree diagrams. See, this is an expression x minus 3. So this is an expression, I have written expression in the right side. This is an expression. From this expression, you are getting only 2 terms, and as because it is there is only this number, so it is terms and factors both. So I have mentioned it factors only. This is the expression, and from this expression we are getting 2 factors. One is x and one is 3. Next one, see. 1 plus x squared. 3 terms are there. 1 x squared, and factors are for here only 1 is the factor. For here x is the factor, and for here x square means x and x. So this is the term, and this one is the terms, and this one are the factors. 1 x. These are the factors. Next, expression is y minus y cube. Here also you are getting 2 terms. One is y, another is minus y. You have to mention the sign. Previous one there was plus only, so no need to mention plus because you are not giving anything, means plus. If it is minus, so you have to mention it. Now these are the terms. This line, these 2 portions are indicating the terms. Now factors, here only 1 factor, so I am extending it, and here see 3y y, and for this minus sign I have given -1. So -1 into y into y into y. These are the factors. Understood? Is it clear? These are the two terms. So I have make the first branch of the tree y and y minus y cube. After that, this is y only, that this is a factor, and next one is -1 and 3 times of y, y into y into y. These are the factors. Come to the next expression. 5xy square plus 7x square y. This is our expression, so I have to write expression here. Next, for the first term 5xy square, and the second term it is also plus, so no need to mention plus sign in front. 7x square y. The expression is 5xy square and 7x square y. 5xy square, 7x square y. These are two terms. When you are dividing it into next branch will be the factors. So you have to write the factors here. One is 5x and 2 times y, and here 7, x will come 2 times, and y. These are the factors. This line will be the factor. So you have to write this expression, term and factors. Next one is minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. This is the expression. Make the tree. First 3 terms are there. Afterwards you will come to know the name of this, where it is 2 terms, where it is 3 terms. They have different names also. Afterwards you come to know that. Now minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. These are the terms. From here, next branch of your tree is -1 because of this minus sign, and one factor is a and another factor is b. From this term, one factor is 2, b square means 2b, b into b. Here -3 and a. These are the factors. Now I have given two very easy homework for you, and I know that you all will enjoy and do this nicely, neatly. Do by your own. Show the terms and the factors by tree diagrams. 4x square minus 3xy, this is one, and the second one is 5xy plus 10. I hope all of you have understood this explanation. Thank you, children.